So we have some top rocks. We have some footwork. We have some go downs. We have some freezes. So what the heck do? We start to put them together. Yeah, so in this video, we're gonna do our first full round freestyle. Yeah, so we're gonna start out with the top rock. Yeah, just like we did before in the top rock freestyle video, any top rocks that we wanna do. Yeah, any of our top rocks, whatever top rocks we know. Then we're gonna do a go down. Yeah, so this could be our guard down. This could be our knee drop. Yeah, or it could be any go down that you want. If you have a different one, maybe you have a W go down, boom. Yeah, whatever go down you wanna do to get into our footwork. Then we're gonna do our footwork freestyle. So whatever we want, boom, 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 boom. Just like we did before in the footwork freestyle video, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, from here, we're gonna set up for a freeze, yeah? So we're gonna end our footwork in any position that we can get to a freeze from. So let's say we're in this position, in our wrap position, then we can set up nicely, boom, to hit a table freeze, yeah? Or maybe we end up, boom, in our cannonball position, we throw our hat off, boom, and we go headstand, yeah? So whatever freeze you wanna do, yeah? Any freeze that you know, throw it out there. Yeah, we could even, boom, forward here, pop up, shoulder freeze, yeah? Whatever you want. So I'm gonna show you a quick example with no music, and then I'll show you an example with music, and then you can try it out, cool? So I'm gonna start with my top rock, yeah? Come around, listen to the music. All right, I hear it, that's my jam. Boom, boom, boom. Maybe change my angles, boom, boom. Maybe change my levels, boom, boom. And then I'm gonna do my go down, boom, 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 boom. Now, footwork, however I want. Ta, 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 boom, 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 boom. Yeah, any footwork that you wanna do. Then I'm gonna end in a place where I can go to a freeze. Boom. And then I get up, I say, yeah, boom, that's my round. Cool? This last part, we call it the clean get up. Super important, after your freeze, you're gonna stand up, you're gonna finish in some sort of pose, and you're gonna be confident. You're gonna be looking at your opponent, at the cypher, being like, yeah, that was an awesome round. Cool, so let's try it with our music one time. So I listen, and then top rock. So, you get the idea. Basically, we're just starting to put everything together, yeah? So top rock, go down, footwork, freeze, clean get up, finish. That's your job. I want you to do at least 5 rounds like that, yeah? Even if you do similar stuff each time, just practicing going through is gonna be super helpful. Great job, have fun, see you soon.